Welcome to the telephone tester demonstration, exercise 5 for week 12. In this program, we're going to create a class that contains static methods to determine whether or not or to properly format a telephone number. We're going to start by taking a quick look at telephone.java. Telephone.java is a class. Format is a static method. It means we don't have to create an instance of our class in order to use it. We're going to take in a string, which we assume is an unformatted telephone number. We're going to create a string builder object out of that string, and we're going to use the string builder object's insert commands to determine where to put the parentheses and the hyphen that usually appear in a standard US phone number. I'm going to set some breakpoints here so that as we go through with various phone numbers, we can test this. The telephone tester program takes a predefined telephone number, runs it through the telephone format, spits it back out as a string, and then we just print it out. So let's take a look at this program. We're going to jump our phone number in. Now our phone number is 999-555-1212, or I'm sorry, 919-555-1212. So we're going to create a string builder object. We're going to use the string builder's insert function to place a parenthesis at position 0. So we're going to insert a character at position 0. What this means is by insert, we're going to put it at position 0 and move everything over one character. So after we do the insert, and you can see it down here in my string builder object, notice that we've put the parenthesis in, but the 919-555-1212 has just simply been moved over. So this is now at position 0, position 1, 2, 3. After 919, I want to put in a closing parenthesis. That's now going to be at position 4, because remember, 0, 1, 2, 3, I want to put the closing parenthesis in right here. So we put it in position. So we put it in position 4. And in position 4, we're not just going to insert a closing parenthesis, but also a just a closing parenthesis. I thought there was a space there, but that's just a character. So now we have a 91955 parenthesis 919 closing parenthesis. Notice we didn't overwrite, everything just moved over. Now at position 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The end of the 555 is position 7. So at position 8, where the 1 currently exists, we're going to put a hyphen in there and push everything over. So we're going to insert the hyphen. So now we've got parenthesis 999 or 919 close parenthesis 555 dash 1212. And we're going to use the toString method of the string builder, which creates a string object for us to use or store in a string variable. And that's exactly what we're doing. We're going to return that string using the toString function, and we're going to output that result to the user. The string builder has a lot of other functions available to it. This is just an example of using the insert function. There is also an append function, which is what makes the string builder really powerful. Remember from the discussions, the reason why the string builder exists is because strings are technically immutable. When we create a string, it is fixed. Anytime we make a change to a string object, that string is destroyed and a new one is created. And that can be sort of wasteful with memory, especially if you're on a memory-constrained device. So that's where the string builder comes in handy. But when you're done with the string builder and you want to get that string out, of course you would use the toString method that most of our classes should have. If you have any questions about exercise 5, please feel free to let me know. bsimbeck@ccac.edu. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed working with the string builder.